Hey folks, 828 Find Adventure. I'm going to use this Cerakote to coat the rear windshield of this Subaru right here. I'm also going to use it on the rear window of my camper topper or my truck topper or camper shell or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to do it because the Subaru, the defrost isn't the quickest thing to engage and start working. It usually takes about a mile before it burns off everything. So I'm going to do this to help beat up the water and let it just run off, or keep the ice from sticking. So let's try this stuff out. Here it is. It's a glass coat, and let's see what's in the box. So I've got some glass cleaner. I've got 2 of those. Here's the glass coat. Comes with a microfiber cloth. See this right here? It comes with a microfiber cloth right here. It just shows up unassembled. Comes with some rubber gloves, but I'm going to use my own. And it comes with some the spray bottle you have to put together, and instructions. And read these just like if you're repairing the headlights on your car. Read every step, and it should work without a problem. So let's go ahead and put the squirt bottle together. You get a tube here in this, and I assume it just, I don't know, goes down inside that somehow. There we go. I guess that works. I'm going to give this a few like this in case anything's settled. Got a little piece there. You just take off the top. Put that in the box. Screw that down. Okay, there we go. All right. So, preparing the surface. Parked in the shade, it is. Clean the glass surface with your preference of glass cleaner. Ensure all surfaces are cool to the touch before application. So first thing it says is clean the glass. So let's do that. I'm going to set this down here. So the first thing you do is clean the glass. I'm going to use this Chemical Guys Streak Free. Let's do that. And these microfiber here that have this like waffle pattern work really good for doing your windows. Okay, next step. It says wet the entire windshield with water. Okay, it says thoroughly wet the entire windshield with water. So let me go get some water. You want to wet the windshield with the windshield or the piece of glass back here with water before you use the supplied glass cleaner. Okay, there we go. Next step, using the supplied glass cleaner. Thoroughly scrub the glass and let it sit 2 minutes. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Here we go. I've used the supplied glass cleaner to scrub the windshield. Okay, now the next step. The glass is dry. Now we need to rinse with some water. Okay. Now it says dry glass completely. So let's do that. Okay, the glass is dry. Shake bottle for approximately 10 seconds. Spray on a light coat to the glass surface using the microfiber wipe to polish in the coating to ensure full coverage. And then you buff it. So it works kind of like the ceramic car wash or ceramic coatings I put on the cars. Works kind of the same way. I would definitely get multiple microfiber cloths so you can do this. And I always use a separate for polishing. So there you go. Let's see how this works. Okay, folks, let's see how this works. Look at that. Well, there's your demonstration. Check that out. Well, I hope that was a good enough demonstration in this video of how this stuff works. It goes on pretty quick. I'm not going to put this on the front windshield, but it shows it can. You know, but it'd probably take, if I did this a couple more times with practice, maybe 10-15 minutes to do it easy. So check it out. It's called Cerakote ceramic coatings. I've used something similar to this about 15 years ago on a different vehicle, and I searched this out, did some research, seemed to be a pretty good product. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. If you would, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you next time. See ya.